All right, you chose food and drink. You did choose food.
I did.
Okay. R-S-T-L-M-E. Well, that ain't gonna get it done. Let's get some more. 3 more consonants, 1 more vowel.
C,
That's 1.
H,
That would be 2.
F,
That would be 3.
and O.
All right. Well, all of the consonants, I think, are in the puzzle. Please, no help from our audience. Pick some pretty good letters there. Food and drink, 10 seconds to tell us what it is. He looks confident. I don't know. Maybe I'm misreading him. Good luck.
Thick, fluffy pancake.
Turns out I'm not misreading him. Wow. Good choice of letters, man. You want a car?
Yes.
Yeah, he wants a car, as it turns out. Wow. Well, that's a way to end a week. $70,813 cash and prizes. Terrific.
Yes.
We're always posting fun videos, so click above to subscribe now.